Hi all of my fellow friends. Welcome back to Nokia Talks, and today we're going to be doing a Nokia 2780 flip durability test. Yay! It's already broken! How? And the hinge is broken! That is a bad start! Can it even open? My god. Guys, for being a... Okay, I've left it. Oh, the inside is destroyed. Oh no. This is bad. Very bad. Does it even turn on? Oh, that's a big crack. No! What the heck? I didn't even do anything to you. Well, starting off our durability test. What happens if your very nice child takes your flip phone? Because, you know, it's back in the day, and maybe they're angry at you. You didn't let them have dessert. Uh-oh. They're going to grab your flip phone. They're going to go, Oh, no. Now it's even more broken. What about the front display? I don't think the front display works. Did it? Yeah, the front display. Oh, there we go. Now it's just white. Come on, turn on. Yay! Okay. Wow. This is so nice. What happens if you actually drop your flip phone and your kids are running and they're jumping everywhere? Oh my gosh, I just dropped my phone. Wait, little Timmy. Little Timmy, you just destroyed my phone. It doesn't even want to turn on anymore. Little Timmy. Still makes that lovely sound. That's weird. The time is upside down. Does the flashlight still work? Yay! Guys, the time is back. Now, can this thing survive everyday kids' life, like with sports and different games? It's got multiple stuff here. Hey boy, give me my tennis ball back. I'm going to have the flashlight on, just in case. And the time is back upside down. The time is back. First, we've got this big rubber ball. Ruger, move. Tell that dog to move. Rug, move. 3, 2, 1. Dying. As expected, it still works. Next is a foam baseball bat. Yes, I hope that we've all played with this before. Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. How about just one more time because it's super fun? Oh yeah. Woo! That almost hit it. As expected, the thing still works. And it still makes the sound. Wow. That is really crazy. Okay. First start with this guy. Happens if you're like, you're in a rush and you accidentally go, oh, right in the road. Oh no, oh. Slippery. Oh my gosh. Well, let's keep on doing scratch tests. Oh. Bye-bye. Guys, I have this mint condition. Nokia vintage 2780 flip. Fully functional speaker, fully functional buttons, fully functional front screen, and flashlight. $1,000 right now. Guys, it just died, so we do this. What happens if I stand on it? Oh, after I stood on it, surprisingly, the screen started working again. Does the flashlight? Yay! We got everyone back! Drop test. No way. Guys, it is still on somehow. Now we shall do an open scratch test. Ugh. Crackling noises. Oops. Do a flip. Guys, I think it just restarted. It made the music again. Mint condition. Guys, you can call me at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And yeah, I'll give this to you. $1,000. It's the deal. No low ballers, okay? Just $1,000, okay? See, we got the front screen working, inside screen working, and the flashlight. Kind of want to jump on it. Oh yeah, front flip. Big toss. See this? This is why you suck, because you exploded everything everywhere. Ugh. Get out. I'm so sorry that I missed. Guys, we're going to be hammering in a nail. Works very great, I guess. Guys, I just made the flip phone touchscreen. So now it is $5,000. Come pick it up anytime. Again, phone number is 316-1235. But now that it's touchscreen, we have to be very careful not to hit any of this. Like this. See, you can't be hitting it like that, or else it might break. I mean, see, I got lucky this time. Just don't do that anymore. Or see, like this. See that? Don't do this. I mean, definitely don't do that because, like, see, it'll break it. So when you get it, please don't break it like that, okay? Guys, it still powers on, okay? Our Nokia is really as strong as the commercials say. Guys, I got this brand new truck. I'm gonna throw my phone at it. Yeah. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh. Where? What the heck? What the heck happened to the? What in the name did you do? What? You just destroyed my truck. How? This is an outrage. Well, I mean, I guess it is pretty strong. Never mind. No, I'm just gonna throw it a whole bunch of times and see if it still works. Great. That's all I'm doing. Guys, it still turns on. No way. Well, it survived all this time. Do it one last time. My old buddy. Still turns on. Let's see if he'll survive the final test. Oh my gosh, I can't even bend him. Like, really, guys? It's still on what? I can't even. Without it coming out, it still works. I can't break it at all. I am well over bending this thing. It's still working. Proof Nokias are indestructible, even the new ones. Sure, it's gotten scuffed up, but the front screen still works and the flashlight. That is proof Nokia is indestructible, except for this last part, full strength. Well, Nokia was indestructible. Let's try to put it back together just for fun. Guys, it just vibrated. No way. No way. It just vibrated. Watch, I'll do it again. Wires are out, everything. Watch. Watch this, alright? I don't know if you guys can hear it, but just wait. I'm going to put it in there and I'm going to put it up to this phone. Just listen. Tell me if you hear a vibration or feel one. I don't know. Try this again. Dang it, it's not listening to me. It did. It turned on. Attempt to turn on again. It's probably dead now. Well, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. One last jump. 3, 2, 1. Up for grabs. Nokia 27080 flip. Mint condition. Up for grabs now. Hurry up before it's out of stock. Too soon. This thing is almost basically indestructible. Now it's time to go into the garbage can. Like and subscribe.